Welcome to Brief Briefing. Let's go ahead and use MurAll. The interface is very clean. You can go here, open files, directories, webcams, all this. And after you're done with your artwork, you convert it to 256 and you go ahead and get started. All right, we're gonna go ahead and authorize. I'm gonna go ahead and confirm this transaction. Okay, and now we wait. Went ahead and named it Night at the Louvre Museum in Paris, and I'm gonna go ahead and mint. So the paint fee is not high, but the gas fee is. It's at 400. That's as far as I go. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and tip if you like the content. Let me know if this was useful. Very expensive to mint that, isn't it? But it's on the blockchain. Have a good one.